In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Exness account. Now, if you actually just want to delete your accounts, either real or demo accounts, you can't actually delete them, but you can archive them, okay? You can just go to demo or real, click on those three dots next to it, and then click on archive account, and it's going to get essentially deleted or archived over here, which could be seen as the same thing, okay? So directly deleting is not possible, but if you would like to archive it, you can do that easily. Now, if you actually want to delete your account altogether, so your Exness account, not just these trading accounts over here, what you have to do is you have two options. If you haven't filled in your personal details yet, and if you actually haven't done the application process for a real account yet, and you haven't put in your phone verification, information, personal info, etc., you can go ahead and click on top right where you can see your profile icon, click on settings, and then here at the bottom left it says security, click on that, and down at the bottom you can see under account security and termination it says terminate Exness personal area. Now this button is going to be available only if you haven't yet completed the personal information submission, okay? If you've done that, then unfortunately this button is not going to be over here, and once an Exness personal area of course has been verified and you've put in all your information, you'll have to follow these steps I'm going to tell you right now to terminate or delete your Exness personal area, okay? So first, it's actually very recommended that you first withdraw your funds and close all open and pending orders on all trading accounts with your personal area, okay? So once you're in here, you can just go ahead and close all positions. You can go ahead and click on the trade button, go inside your trader, the web trader, close all positions, and then after that, make sure you also withdraw, okay? So go over here, payments and wallet, and then withdraw, and just withdraw, of course, with your preferred method. So that's the first thing you have to do. And then once you're done with that, you have to submit a written notice at least 5 calendar days from the desired termination date to their official email, okay? Now their email is support@exness.com, okay? So I think you'll be able to find this somewhere as well. So if I go to, let me see, well, okay, you can just go ahead and find it, or just go ahead and write support@exness.com, okay? So you can search it up on their website as well. It's going to be available over there. And then after you do that, of course, you will have to use the account holder's registered email address if you actually want to do that. So with the email you registered with, you have to write them a written basically notice 5 calendar days from the desired termination date, okay, with your actual email connected to your account. After you do that, of course, you want to include some things in the mail, and the email should include some details, which are the trading account number or numbers, okay, so these things, the support pin, and the reason for termination as well. So after you do that, of course, you'll be able to just send them the email, and then when they receive the notice, you'll receive an email within about 5 calendar days regarding your termination, and basically sometimes they will also give you a verification call to confirm the request, okay? So that's how you basically do it, and then just take it from there. They'll give you some info in that email, but essentially all you have to do, email them at support@exness.com, and they will help you out with your account closure. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.